In this lesson, I would like to explain a little bit about the topic, what do I need to do to build wealth by trading Forex? Here on the left side, you can see I have written an article about this topic. On the right side, I have a trading chart for the gold against US dollar on a 1 hour time frame, just to show you more details during the explanation. On the left side, you have a link about this article where you can read more details. In this video lesson, I will go through this topic to explain a little bit from my experience what is necessary to do, what kind of steps, and what you can expect if you make your trading profitable, and how to build a wealth. Now, when you start trading in the Forex, if you're just a beginner, you need to spend some time learning the basics, how to use the tool, and finding your strategy. How much time do you need to waste until you learn and be profitable? It depends on you and your trading journey. Will you learn on your own? Will you learn from your trading mentor? It depends again up to you. So in Forex trading, if you do not know what is, the thing is that you need to define where the price will go. You need to open sell order or buy order, and that means you can take a look here on the chart. You can see that the price goes down, then move on the side from the left to the right, then moves up, then moves on the side, then moves down, then moves up, and so on and so on. The price changes the direction all the time, and your goal in trading on Forex market or the stock market or crypto market depends on you where the price will go. You need to define, will the price go up or it will go down from the current market price. If you predict the correct direction, you make money. If you do not predict correct direction, you waste your money. So it's very important to learn how to predict in which direction the price will go. So the Forex is defining where the price go up or go down, opening an order, new order. Sell order means that you are expecting the price will go down. Buy order represents an order that you predict the price will go up. Then the next thing that it is very important, how to start trading. When you learn that, when you have a strategy, you need to invest money. So you cannot start trading without the money. It is similar like for the stock market. If you would like to buy a stock, you need to invest your money with a broker. So you invest $1,000, you buy stocks, and then you wait until the price goes up for that stock so you can make money. This is one of the way how to investment works. So in this case, for the Forex market, you need to invest some money with the broker so you can start trading. If you have, for example, $500, $1,000, you can invest that, and then with that money you can predict where the price will go. Will it go up or will it go down? Now the second thing that you need to invest is your time. It is necessary that you invest your time in learning, in trading, because the trading requires your attention that you start trading. Except if you have an expert advisor, which means a trading bot that will trade for you following the certain rules, then you will not need your time because this bot will trade for you. But this is something other topics I will not cover in this case. Now here is the content I have prepared for you in this article. You will need time to build the wealth by trading Forex. Then you will need money, because you need to invest your money to start trading. How to build, have a plan, be smart, and invest into mentor if it is possible, because the mentor will speed up the process. And there is also real life experience building wealth by trading Forex by learning from the traders who are already trading. Now, if we start with this one, which means you need to learn, you need time to invest, it is something at the start, it's very important. I have covered one of the topics where I have shown you whenever you start learning, the most important thing is to learn the basic terms in trading. That means when you start trading, you need to understand what is the volume here, what does it do, what is the standard lot, what is the sell by market, what is the buy market, and then what is the price change. When you can see here, when the price changes from here to up or down, you need to learn what is a pip. So you can calculate how much money you would make when the price goes up or when the price goes down. This is very important to understand. So you will waste lots of time just to learn, and learning by your mistakes. If you can also use a trading method that will speed up process so you can learn from his mistakes, not your own. Now, when you start trading, after you learn the basics, you need to invest your money. Now, some persons have money so they can invest, but some of the traders do not have. So you need to accumulate some of the money by savings, by working more somewhere to put the money in your trading account. When you have that money, then you need to start trading slowly. And that means you can see here that Albert Einstein famously said that compound interest is the most powerful force in the universe. You can see that he who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Here inside, in this on the left side here on my website, you can see Forex compounding plan. You can see here when you have 1% of income, 5% of profit and 10% of profit of income on your trading account balance. You can see what is the difference. Now you can see after a while, you can see that 10% returns has exponential growth with a return of 1744%. You can see what has 5%, what means 1%. That means how much trades you will open. For example, if you open 30 trades here with a 10% of return on each trade, in 30 trades you would make 1744%. So it is lots of money just starting with, take a look here. You can see here when you invest $1,000. This is the chart that shows you on the left side. You can see this, you start with $1,000, and after a while, after 30 trades, you can see how much money you will make with 1%, 5% and 10%. Now you can see how the compounding helps you to make more money, but that means 30 trades without losing any of the trades, which is not very easy, if not possible. But it is also always, everything is possible, but it depends on the trader. But this gives you just a short information how much money you can make with the compounding, just being profitable with trading on the Forex market or on any markets. Now, what is very important is that you learn on your own how to trade. It would be not very good that you spend time learning and then focusing on following someone who trades and you simply copying his signals. That is one of the way of the trading, but is it very poor? Is it very good or it's not? I think it is always the best to learn on your own, because here it is one of the sentences that is very important. Give a man fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. So that means if you follow someone with the trading signals, after a while that person can disappear. And then where are the signals that you're following? They have disappeared. So this is a very important thing to learn, and it is best to have your own trading strategy. I understand that some persons cannot trade. They are not patient, they are greedy, and eventually they lose all the money. That is also possible. Maybe the trading is not the way how to build wealth. So there are other things that you can do to make more money. There are other ways, other markets, so you can try on your own. But here we are talking about making wealth by trading Forex. One of the most important things in trading is managing your risk. And that means whenever you open trade here, is it sell or buy market, it's very important that you predict where the price could go. If you predict the price will go up, that means you open a buy order. And that means, just a minute, let's take an example here. I will close this one. For example, let's open here a buy order, which means you are expecting that the price will go up. But what if the price goes against you? What if the price goes down? Managing your risk, which means you need to protect your trading account from bad trades. So if the price goes against me, it's very good to have a stop loss. That means the order will close with a loss on that. It is best to have a small loss than having this trade going against me all the way down and wasting everything from my trading account balance. That is not the way how to trade successfully. Here it is by managing the risk. This is a very important thing that you need to understand on each trade that you open here. Take it here, this one, which is a stop loss. When you double click on it, you can put stop loss, for example, here. Stop loss should be, for example, at 0.0. Put it here so you have a stop loss visible right here on the chart. If I go to the 1 minute time frame, you will see my stop loss is right here. So if the price goes against me like this, the trade will close with small loss. Then I will open new order, and then I will have another chance. Have in mind that the stop loss is very important in managing your risk, and managing the risk is one of the most crucial things in trading. Now, here it is. The next step is have a plan. Have a plan how to trade. And that means having a trading strategy with certain rules, when to enter, when to exit, and how to analyze the market. Having a mentor who will show you what is his strategy, which is successful, which has certain rules, which has risk management included in that. For example, each trade that you open cannot have a stop loss that will be more than 1% on trading account. This is a plan how to trade. So if you have a certain plan, specific plan with a specific steps, this is a step forward where you will trade, where you will learn how to trade and being successful. And that is, if you have a trading strategy with the certain rules, you can also make the analysis what is very good in your trading and what is not. What is not, remove that, improve that, and be more successful. Now, the next thing, one of the things which is very important, invest into mentor to build wealth by trading Forex. Having a mentor will speed up a process 7 times faster. I have also created an article about this topic. You'll find it here. Having a mentor is wasting your time. 7 times faster you will learn with a mentor, because he will save your time learning about the trading tools, about trading basics. If he has a strategy, he will explain to you what are the mistakes you will need to avoid, and probably he will tell you manage your risk per each trade. Have a stop loss which will not be more than 1% of that trade. Then what is very important is here, learn from the history. And that means what I have just said. If you have strategy, you can make the analysis what is bad. Those who do not learn from history are doomed to repeat that. So this means if you have bad trades, if you have bad steps, specific steps in your trading journal, in your trading strategy, if you learn from those, you will improve. But if you do not learn from those mistakes, you will repeat all the time. Here I did not touch something that is very important, and that is trading psychology, which means do not be greedy and do not have fear. Two most important things in trading is greed and fear. Greed is when you make money and you think you know everything about trading, so you open more trades with a larger lot size, you increase the risk, and eventually you lose everything. The fear is when to enter the market. Is the time to enter the market when your trading steps on your trading analysis tells you to enter the market. This is the fear that prevents you from opening an order. There is also fear from closing the order, because you think the market will turn in your direction and you fear to close the trade with loss, and you expect that the price will go in your favor. For example, if you open a sell order but the market turns around you, you think, oh, the market will turn again down. That is the fear from closing the trade, which is not very good. Have in mind that to build the wealth, you need time, you need money to invest, you need a trading plan, and you need to learn from your mistakes. Having precise strategy with certain steps, and specific plan, and at the end, learn from your own mistakes. To build the wealth from the Forex, it is possible. You can see that it is possible to make money. You will have also successful traders on the internet. You will find them how they make money, but usually the traders who are very successful, they do not brag on the internet. You will not find too many of them bragging and also making videos, but you will eventually find some of those on the internet, and if you found them, be happy, because there are so few of those who are willing to share trading strategy and do not fear they will scam you. Do not invest the money with them. If you invest, at least invest to be a trading mentor so they can teach you. If that is some of the money they're asking, if you think it is very useful, think about that. If it is suitable for you, feel free to join them. This is all for this topic. I wanted to show you that it is possible to build wealth and what are very important steps to make that wealth on the trading. It's very important to learn the basics, how to trade, having precise strategy that will help you, and then having a plan is also very important. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. If you think that it will be helpful for other traders, feel free to share with them. See you next time and happy trading.